I love more and am more fearful in this test than all the other lovers and their lingers. Then would I quickly make a song more fine, honoring and holding dear in my design you who are of rich worth without a peer, pleasing lady, sovereign without fear, that I should do better than all good I know, because I await so high mercy's glow. And if ever any man, speaking of above his lady, was a liar in his praise, then I say lady, and in truth my voice I raise. But your great valor and your worth and love are so rightly over sovereign in their kind, that no praise can equal them or bind. Therefore every praise must prove true by right, your forceful worth which none can hold in flight, with which grows the high worth that maintains you. So I desire mercy from you, through and through. This makes me speak lady love's own command, and the honored worth above all values test, which makes you pleasing to all folk and best. So a sweet lightness in my heart's firm land is ready every time I hear you spoken of. Each one thinks to praise you more for love of your true praise, which quickens and makes life. That praise is for us, it must be and must give. So I dare not cry mercy to you above. So noble is your rank and rich your state, and your new body fitting and so fair is so beautiful, and the glance so pleasing there. And so true the fine colors, fresh estate, natural and living, full of grace. And so gently do you know to say and do that which befits you and honors you too, that to every man you are welcome in your place. So I have no perfect joy in anything, save in waiting for your mercy's fling. Much are rich worth, sense and honor to measure in teaching with you, lady fair. And I am joyful when I desire your care, for my firm will does fur me through and through. But with all this I am afraid to desire or dare. Then well would I fear to pray you anywhere, how? Because love turns me away from you, so much that never shall I say to you. I fear, beautiful lady, if it please you, mercy here. If I dare to pray you for anything, lady, well would